Welcome everyone. It's Shari Carroll for SimonsStamp.com with a special limited edition Valentine's 2021 card kit. This card kit is packed full of everything Valentine's and love, and I'm going to start you off with the 6x8 stamp set, and this is called For My Sweet, and it features some big bold images that you can color in with your markers or watercoloring. The box of hearts also features some messages that you can put inside the little panel to complete that image. We've also included an exclusive Simon Says Stamp die, and this is called the Heart Arrow, and it gives you a really fine line of a heart shape with the arrow at the bottom. Valentine's wouldn't be complete without some lips, and we are including a 6x6 stencil, and this is called Hot Lips, and it has all different sizes of these lips. You can do some ink blending or use some sprays to spray through your stencil. We're including some 6x6 papers for you, and these are from Echo Park. This is their Cupid and Company papers. You'll get 12 sheets of double-sided papers, and they are full of all the things you need for Valentine's. A lot of the patterns are really perfect for some backgrounds to complement your stamped images. The colors of these papers really set the scene for the whole entire kit, with black, red, pink, and a little bit of gray. These papers are also perfect to do some mix and matching. You could create some strips of paper and create your own patterns. I always like these sheets that have the small panels that I can cut up and either do collage or create small tags and cards. And don't forget to use these papers for your stamping and maybe color piecing and putting your dies to work. So again, that's 12 sheets, double-sided, Echo Park Cupid and Company papers. To go with all your papers, we're also including Echo Park frames and tags. These are also part of the Cupid and Company. There are 33 pieces in total. Some are larger, some are smaller, and a lot of them are in tag shapes and also cut out wording. These are always super fun for me to put together and create little arrangements for an entire card. Another item we're including is the Heidi Swap sheet of word jumbles in pink and gold. These are actually translucent, and this is what it looks like when sitting on white. To go with your hot lip stencil, or just to add some shine to your cards, we're also including a bottle of the Pebbles Ink Gold Glitter Mist. You'll also receive a Tim Holtz Distress Marker in Fired Brick. We're also including 3 larger gift bags, and these are perfect if you want to add some tags to them or do some stamping. You can stamp some hot lips on top. And there's even more. We have several envelopes for you. We have 4 gift card envelopes. You'll get 2 in white and then also 2 in our vellum. These are perfect for gift cards or also little tiny Valentines. You'll also receive 2 A2 card size envelopes. We have Schoolhouse Red and White, and those have the peel away adhesive. You'll also receive 1 Cotton Candy Pink Slimline envelope. And finally, for our cardstocks, we have 5 for you in total, and this is our new holographic red with that mottled pattern to it. You'll also receive 1 sheet of the Nina Desert Storm 80 pound, 1 sheet of Nina White 80 pound, and then also Simon Says Stamp Cotton Candy and Black in 100 pound. So up next, I have a couple cards that I've created using the contents of this kit. This first card uses the ephemera, and I've made a little collage by overlapping those pieces, and I used dimensional tape for a little lift, and I stamped my I love you in the center of it all. This next card is a little edgier. I have stamped my messages, and I mixed it in with that heart arrow die and also some ephemera and some lips stamped with white pigment ink. I hope you've enjoyed this reveal and inspiration of our card kit, Valentine's 2021. Be sure to check out our blog post for additional inspiration, and as always, thanks so much for watching.